Hello, welcome to the second part of the episode 3 of Hytale tutorials. In the last video I explained how the attack selector works and how the attack chain kinda works. So yeah, let's go a little bit more in depth into that. Thomas, some people ask me about how I can make use of other weapons attacks in the attack chain or attack animations. I also will be showing how you can change the sound effects when you hit and when you swing your weapon. So yeah, let's go into that. As always, as an editor, make sure you are in op self to gain access to this. Let's go here, and I will try to explain how this kinda works. Where do I find this tutorial template? Alright, this is my weapon. First of all, I'm not sure if I made a video. I think my first video was about changing the signature attack of the weapon, and in there I explain how you can change the ability just changing this, replacing this. You're replacing this with another weapon's signature attack. It's the same for the secondary in case you don't want to make a blocking animation like you want, I don't know, other weapon moveset. Just replace this for any kind of route interaction. This also, like I explain in a lot of videos, is where the interactions of the attacks happen. So yeah, let's go here. And remember here, it is in the case, this is the maze. So make sure you are using the right type of weapon, because there's a lot of weapon types and every one seems to be different in some aspects. So make sure this is for the maze, because I will be explaining the maze push in case someone says, "Oh, I don't have this like you have it. Why is this different? I have a sword." Yeah, you have to check how the template sword works, and it's kind of the same thing, but not really the same thing. So yeah, from here you'll go not here. Here the tutorial, the primary chain. As I just told you, the primary works different on the sword, because the sword has two files, has the primary and the primary chain. That's why I keep calling it chain, because it's how the attacks works. You do this, then this, and then this. I want to explain how you can replace this without having to. If the only thing you want to replace is with another weapon attack, not making a custom attack, because I already explained how to make a custom attack. If you want, I don't know, the second hit to be replaced with the sword attack, you just go to your sword, copy the one you want. The one I showed you, like sword primary. I imagine I don't want the attack you have here. I want another attack. Then I'll copy. Wait, it's different. My bad. Left swing condition. Wait, this is different. Oh my god, this is why I told you that it's different for every weapon. But the thing you have to, I don't know, it's not different. It's alright, I think. In this case, you just go here and you have to check. The first, be careful, because in the maze, the condition is movement. Means when you are moving. So when you are moving, you have two different attack chains, but not really, because it's the same chains. So I'll change the moveset for when you are walking, for example. So yeah, this means when you are not walking, when this fails, you'll do the regular moveset. So let's try and make a different moveset. I don't know why this has different back, left, right. Like, this doesn't really make a lot of sense to me. It seems like depends on when you are walking. For example, if I move here, should be alright. If you move to the right, you make the left, the right swing. If you move to the left, you make the left swing. If you go forwards, you do the. Alright. I can understand how this works. This is when you are moving. where this is where you are moving. For example, if I want when I move backwards to make another um, interaction, I don't know, I want the sword thrust attack. For example, I go here and I should change T here for another sword. Uh, if I can write, forgot. Sword, and I go here and, for example, make sure I haven't tried this other interactions because I think this is for mobs. I'm not sure if they work the same way for entities. But yeah, let's, I don't know, change T for the swing left. I don't know if this animation is going to work. Oh yes, it works. See, it's different. This one and this one when I move backwards is different. So yeah, this is how you make different attack chains depending on some things. One thing I wanted to show is how you can make this, but for the for the condition when you have the oh my god, I really can't speak today. When you have the ability gouge fill up, you'll do a different chain moveset. So let's change this for, I don't know. I think this was. Let's check how this works for the signature condition for swords, for example. So you go here, signature, and it should be over here. Condition, stats condition. This is stats condition. You can also make different depending on of your health or of other things, but I will be showing in the signature condition. All right. So yeah, this is how it works. Let's go here. Let's change this for the stat condition. Confirm. I don't know if this is going. Yeah, this is replaced. Yeah, don't worry about it. Let's try and make that work. All right. So when you fail this condition, you'll make a custom attack chain. When you have the right condition, you'll do another attack chain. So, for example, if I don't have this to the value that it should be over here, where's the value over here? I think it's where is this? View distance effects? No. Horizontal speed. I don't know why there's so many options, but not the one I'm looking for. Where is this? I think it's in the rules. No. Well, let's check how this one works. For example. All right. No, not here. Here. Ah, it's the cost. All right, the cost. But this is how it. Ah, no, it's not how much you lose. It's the minimum requirement. I don't know why it's called the cost because it doesn't make sense to be called the cost. But yeah, it's how the cost. I mean, I want this to be when I have my signature to alt the weight up. So let's go see signature energy, and this is well, here, yeah, 100. So yeah, when I have my signature to 100, it will do the next interaction. If I don't have the 100 signature energy, it will do the failed interaction. Let's this works different because like you saw earlier, the mace works different than the sword. So we should make our own custom attack chain animation. So let's make that. Let's go to, for example, sword chain. Oh my god, I don't know why this works so bad. Sword primary chain. Alright, yes, you can kind of see how this works in here. Alright, symmetrous condition. In this case, it's a little hard to understand, but this what it means is when this condition is met, it will do the thrust, and when it's not, it will do the primary chain. So it's what we're going to do today. It's the primary chain. So yeah, let's this duplicate tutorial primary chain, and we have our primary chain. So let's go here. Where I'm going to close this. I'm going to close this. I'm going to close this. Tutorial primary. This is the one. No. Tutorial primary here. All right. When we don't have the 100% of the start condition in the signature energy will do the base attack. So yeah, let's do this. Oh, not here. My bad. Oh yes, yeah, it's here, it's here. Yeah, weapons, tutorial primary chain, and we do this attack chain. Let's go here. And I won't really go in depth into that because this is really just making the same thing over and over again. You go here, replace this, you go here, you make your own this, you replace this for whatever you want. So I won't be touching this. If the animations doesn't show up, I'll try to change the animation names in my tutorial template. Don't worry about this. I'll show you. For example, if the gouge is at the way, I don't know. I use the primary chain of another weapon, for example. I don't know, the daggers. It should be cool that when you have all the signature energy, you'll do the tutorial. You have a faster moveset or a slower but crazier. What I've been trying is to make the same moveset, but the one when I have the condition met, it glows. Not only it glows, but the trail is a different trail. It has more range. It has more particles. This is what I did. So yeah, let's do this as primary tutorial primary. Let's put this like alt primary chain. Let's go here to the tutorial primary, and with this is not met, we'll do the primary chain. The alt primary chain. Let's see if this is working right now. Yeah, it's working, but animations are very slow. So yeah, when this is met, you see the effects, no? When you hit, this is because this maze is very slow. I'll try to make this a little bit more faster. Swing right. I'll do this one. Swing down. I make this one. Let's see if this is faster. Yes, this is faster, but it doesn't. Well, you get the idea. It's a different moveset. Let's try and make the condition for the change for the charge instead of 100 because I don't want here to be hitting things for a lot of time. I'm going to put it to just one, so you can see how this works. Let's hit this skeleton. I have one. No, I'm doing a different moveset. I don't know if you're understanding what is happening. But yeah, I'm doing the dagger moveset right now. You can see the animations because it's not properly set. In the streaming, I explain how this works, but basically here in the primary, you have here in the source, you have the no, oh, my bad. I'm searching for the wrong. Not in the primary, in the swing here. You have here. This is the name of the animation you are making when you are doing. When you do this attack, you'll use this animation ID. The animation ID you can check it out in here. In the I explain how you can make your custom one. Just add one here. I don't know. Test anim. Let's change this, but I don't know. Any. Make sure how this. I don't know if I already explained. I think I explained twice before, but again, this is for third person moving. This is the face you make when you are hitting, and this is the first person animation. Make sure you are not using the wrong animations because in the first person and third person work different because the third person are only meant to be viewed in third person and it does weird things. I show you what I mean. Let's search for any FPS animation, like any swing FPS. What the hell, this again? Let's do sweep FPS in. Yes, it is really bad. They fuck up the editor. It doesn't really work right now when you click things. Where is this? Animations, weapons, or items? It's in items, I think. Items or weapons? Items, yes. Main HUD, why not? Fire stick, what the hell? A club, attacks, swing down, FPS. This is just for showcase. So I write down. You have to make sure you have the right animations and that they show up properly. Where do I have this in here? Not. Yes. Let's do this test animation. You can check it out in here. Test anim. I also show. I will show in another video how you can make your custom player animations. Don't worry about it. So yeah, when I swing left, I should have a different animation now. I know, cause I changed the swing in the chain of the sword. Well, you get the idea, no? You go here in your swinging animation and you change this for the animation you want. That's pretty much all I will be showcasing for now in the attack chain. Maybe I'll do another one more in depth, but I want to finish my twin dual swords because I want to make a great moveset with custom animations, PFX, sounds, and everything. Sounds, how you can change sounds. It's in the selector. Here selector, FX, no, in the selector or in here? No, it's in here, in the swing. And you just replace this. As I just told you, this is the one I use for the maze attacks, and now I'm using another change animation, so yeah, it won't work for this, but yeah, you go here in the swing and you change this for the song you want. You can make your custom one. The file for the sounds, I'm not sure is meant to me. Is it OGG or MP3? I think it's OGG. Let's check that out. What the fuck? Yes, it's OGG. You have to make your OGG song. There's a lot of online tools you can use to change your MP3 to OGG or another sound type. So yeah, don't worry about that. Yeah, so that's it for today. Maybe I'll do another stream later and just do showcase stuff I made and try to finish my mods because they are not being worked on right now. So I hope this fixes all your main issues with the swords and weapons and all that. You can tell me another issue you have in the comments or another thing you want to be showcased or shown. So I try to make a video on that. Don't worry. So yeah, for now, see ya.